Megan's house, and this is what I see. It's like the little scene from the Wicked Witch of the West. Why are your feet sticking out? What are you doing underneath there? Hello.
That's not helping.
We haven't seen this in a long time. What are you doing?
Yeah. Well.
Oh my God, DIY wife is back.
Remember this?
I don't remember this. What is
Really?
this?
Really?
What is
Remember
this?
this?
This looks like what could have been a fork. Why are you showing this to me? What is it?
This is the fork that you got lodged into the garbage disposal.
Oh.
So look what I have to do.
My bad.
Yeah.
Wait,
now
but why?
we have to replace this whole thing. No.
Okay, so how do we do this? This is a good teaching moment.
How do we do this?
How do you do this and show other people how it's done, including me?
This is not hard.
I will staff you with water and fruit and nuts and things like that to sustain you. What, you're really going to do the plumbing?
There's a plumbing connection, and there's an electrical connection, and maybe a dishwasher connection based on your house, and that's all.
Actually, let's do. Okay, so what do you have to do to probably a lot of people want to do garbage disposals.
First, I have to take the old one out, right?
Okay.
This one goes in here for your garbage disposal drainage.
Mm-hmm.
So I disconnected this.
Okay. That looks like a little hose. Probably connects to water.
Yeah, from the dishwasher.
Okay.
There's water
Okay.
there. Uh-huh.
All right.
Then this is the plumbing. This is where it goes out. You have to disconnect this little J joint right here.
Doesn't look that hard. Okay.
I just unscrewed it.
Okay.
Now we have to disconnect the power.
That's probably good, by the way. You don't want to have electricity running. Same way you don't want to put forks in a, right?
Right.
Okay, I'm not stupid. Go
Right.
ahead.
Okay, then we have to take this one off.
Really?
Yeah, really. And it's
Oh,
Okay.
Wow. That's kind of crazy.
Thanks for helping. That's
No,
real heavy.
no,
That's real
I'm
heavy.
filming. Filming is helping.
We have to reuse this J pipe, so we have to get it off. We'll do that.
Want me to do that?
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay. What?
You just pull them apart.
Like twist?
No, just pull. It's just a compression.
What do you mean, like what do you mean?
Like yes, right there. Those will come apart.
These parts.
They'll come apart.
It doesn't feel like it's coming apart.
I promise you.
Oh, this part?
Yes.
I actually don't know what you're talking about.
This and this piece come apart.
I don't screw it?
It doesn't unscrew.
Okay. I'm gonna go sideways, I think. I'm gonna do it my way, all right? No. Okay.
Oh!
Yes.
What was that extra part?
I did it.
Okay.
I'm so proud of myself.
Good job. Okay.
Okay. All right.
Okay, great.
Now what? Okay. I feel like I contributed. What do we do now?
You did a good job.
Okay.
This is the old one.
All right.
This is the new one. What are the differences that you see?
One has a plug and one doesn't have a plug.
Yeah, that's I bought the wrong one. This is hardwire. This is plug-in.
Okay.
So we have to hack it. We have to rewire this one.
I have an idea. Why don't we return it and get
No,
the
no,
one
no.
that plugs
It's
in?
so easy. Let's just do it. You want to learn some electrical?
I guess. Okay.
Okay. It's real easy. We're just gonna cut the cord off this one and wire it into this one.
Really?
Seriously.
What do you mean cut the cord? Cut the cord is supposed to be a metaphor.
No.
Not like cord cutters, millennials who don't want to order subscription TV. Not actually cut the cord. You're cutting the cord. You cut the cord?
Cut the cord. It's really not that hard.
You cut the cord. It's really not just a metaphor.
No, it's really
Okay.
easy.
And then
my
you need a
wires-
solder?
No, you don't solder. No.
I really actually can't believe you. This is tea. This is why you get hurt.
It is why it's because I'm not using the right tools. My wire strippers are.
Could buy you that for Christmas.
I have some. They're just not here. So we have to get the wires out. There's going to be 3 wires in here: white, black, and a ground wire. You know what we do? We just match them up, white to black. That's not hard, right?
You really do. That's actually,
Yeah, I'm really-
I actually think it's a bad idea.
Why?
Because MacGyver, like, he knew what he was doing, but
No.
This
This
is
is what you do.
you really, so wait, you really are,
Yeah.
so now you're actually,
Now I'm opening up the new one,
okay.
and oh look, same color wires inside.
Is that really how all life works? Is always
It really is. Negative, positive, and a ground.
If I was standing in the middle of the Middle East right now in UAE, there would be 3 wires, same colors,
I'm pretty sure the same colors.
all over the world? It would be
No,
logical.
I don't
See,
know.
I stumped you.
I don't do a lot of rewiring in the UAE.
Okay, fair point. I like to ask a lot of dumb questions. Okay.
I just need to expose some more. It'll be easier. Okay,
All right.
black goes, this is real easy. Black goes to black, right?
Yeah.
And then you put a little thing over at the top of it.
I feel like this is generally something I just don't need to know. Yeah. Okay, sorry.
You're right, you don't. I do it for you.
Okay, sorry. One day I'll learn how to be a real man. But why should I be when I have you?
I'm a real woman. I can do
That
it
is,
for
you are a real badass woman.
Thanks, honey.
Yeah.
It's not hard, is it?
Well, I don't know.
It's
I don't know where
logical. It's logical.
I don't know where you learned it all from, though.
I just make it up.
What are these caps doing?
Well, if the white and the black touched each other while they were in there would be a fire. Be real
Chaos. What do you think it costs for somebody to have a plumber come in and do a garbage disposal?
$200?
That's it? No, really?
I don't know. It's about an hour's worth of work. $250. I don't know what a plumber costs because I never call one.
That's fair point. Because you are a plumber
That's
and a
right.
carpenter,
I make it up.
a hammer, a nail, all of the above.
Yes.
Do it again.
So now we just basically put it under there and reattach everything.
Really?
Really.
That's simple. All right.
It's really pretty simple.
I want to see. I want to do the first demonstration. Actually, I'm gonna eat a piece of fruit and then I'm gonna
You
try.
cannot put the pits down there. We've had this conversation.
I'm a slow learner.
Napkins
I
are
actually
not
wasn't even
allowed.
kidding. All right. Why can't I put a pit? Because it's too hard. I got it.
Yes.
All right. Don't make fun of me. I'm an eager learner. This
Okay,
is the
now
final
we have to
piece.
reattach, and it's heavy. I don't ever like this part. So,
That's clever. You're using the.
yeah, I gotta use something.
Okay.
So this has to be close to this to reattach, right?
Which is this to this?
This pipe. Okay, it's on there. That collar just tightens. See how hard that is? Okay, before we connect anything, you're not supposed to really run this with that water, but we can see if it actually works. Or should we just do everything and then see?
Let's just. I like the mystery of it all.
Okay.
The big reveal.
Okay, this one's really easy. You put this back onto the dishwasher.
That's the water.
No, this is the dishwasher. So the dishwasher runs through here also. So
Why?
if there's any debris in the dishwasher, it's just
Is that true? That's so clever.
You
I
can
didn't know
drain it
that.
right through here, but
Wait,
most-
so any of the food stuff,
Yeah.
the ones that our dog does not get and eat, when we put in, goes through that little hose?
Yeah.
No. What
And the
will they-
water drains all the way down.
What will they think of next?
That's right.
Okay.
You want to tighten this?
Not. I mean, if you need me to.
No.
Okay. I go.
That's just delegating.
Okay.
Another compression collar. Back on.
Do it again. One sec. All right. Are you
Ready?
sure it's gonna work?
I don't know.
Are you positive? All right.
hear that?
I hear it.
Here, what are you going to put?
All right. I'm gonna do a little carrot. I'm gonna feed it. It worked. High five. That's amazing. It's pretty badass.
It's pretty good, huh?
Really? Wow. What? 30 minutes?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Impressive.
You just saved $250.
Yeah, more than that probably. Yep.